Day, December 29. And Yeremuna, Yame, Edia, Aircon, Kakra, Krama, Bibia, Ewing, Kudim, so live on GH Live Studios, Ghana's numero uno. And I don't pay your share more now. You're the super fantastic update. And I ever some more now. You're also about your two share. Anybody come on, Kakra, Alpha Samba O'Neill. On the Inusa Adams, Inju Kakra, I call Itia, Inusa Adams previously in our game, and Sunny by boy and Radian, so Samba, Enya Kakranum, you better come on, I shall not fear her, bit me and Brenna, you said the situation, no, a C2, Ja, a woman, no, Equa, Coach Karim Zito, Enra, Uchanam editor, so said, Asante Kotoko, Ebeto, you better beef up the squad, and those who Chimuno, you better say so now for the air call players link, you know. Not yet the amount so far so positively good for Krobia Mapoma Metema Santi Kotoko the Royal City Club na Enra Morofrin Donzo enso epusunya kaye Emma Ozonso Tana kama abakaya Enrechi and I was it Enra. Yes, Yababa ye Juma Edema se Kotoko companion for Ateki a Juma Bidia to Monso de Afa Donzo na ena Yababa Penya Udi Animona Abasuye Papa. Na ya bonidi and I'm saying nipa ya ade e wa Asante Kotoko a say yetimi ebot na basunti opanyi kwankyerefo baako a Kotoko behind the scene operations team ono ene da no ejaba eye ni din ejaba enye de oton gold no we ye ejaba in fact me nkyere na kira kwan for now me ba story ne so a na mababi rem e the amount o se me nom suko Kizito me so do fa hom do ede afa ho na more work behind the scene Kotoko special operations team omate adwuma no ekoso kama yebe nemu nipa ne bi ne adwuma power mobo behind the scene Asante Kotoko coming up Asante Kotoko so run of 32 yene ken Pfizer na eba be hiamu a chairman K5 enra otinse channel ho wodin some kakra to jointi yebe ram na yedi nkomo live na Johnson upon Donzo Kwame Poku omunyina ho nsem haba new striker Kotoko benya ko anasa yezei go na busu a ama yede atu nyina ehye bia na Johnson ball ne to na ball na hye na nye fedi agro BBL anko ntimi hye but enra wato atena kama wetene to Kwame Poku to atena obia strikers nyina to atena no ama mpanyufo anya adwen foforo bia na yebedi hu nkomo na yede no nso ede ama live on this edition of episode. So subscribe here. GH Live Studios. Yes, several hot with sports news. Nothing so Asante Kotoko him bobu anonso yeri asomo kama. Ye to aso ni akwenim na ye dwedan 7.
There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?
Okay, say when you train now a kabum straight to the point. Yanko na yemfan samni nyinano and some kama live. And right, Ghana Premier League eto ja results ne de winim that Asante Kotoko echa cup makuma kunsia ema be United and to me and Simu Adabraka. Na and I'm sorry so I must say match day 16 ayabonom I think Mediama kwa and a Gold Stars and a game in hand so mo Yamebo midweek in almost clear Eddie free honum now almost about 16 games yabo no be for now Asante Kotoko about 16 games every nimu and what trade a drones ya elusumienu asha as many as 23 goals and asha 9 Eddie Etia Asante Kotoko 14 plus goal and a Kotoko ewo and a 30 good points and also eko Eddie Asante Kotoko na league nimu we share my team wash goals jodo pa dia otontena Kotoko na 23 goals Mediama 21 goals goals for no and American yes into to say the goal do okra wanimu goals for no Kotoko ewo 23 goals and I ote the actually free mukran so 14 enti kamia say nei anymore no enye Freddy Agro Kotoko 30 points me Diaman so I 30 points in as much as so gamer on a gold stars everybody sa and I see etie Adriana Tosom and sound about 16 games with 29 points and I had to folk I see you katakana ni almost toso 9 I was 16 games almost so every name 7 I draw 7 I lose 2 and I Omasha 11 goals and I say almost so I conceded 6 into my plus 5 goals and at 28 points we be any goal stars and on more 5 fifth position absolutely and one more 28 points are a total so eba see out there hoy any be United 11 wonders and so wonder was see how and someone call editor woman now getting come away and for and to any coach Karim Zito and right game Asante Kotoko your boy and your boy and Tushri and couldn't do for a woman and now in Central for the Komopi, I know your premier day one in our channel or at the amount that but the edit pa I hear a canam atu and some password and it's a Sante Kotoko ever rem up a one striker na striker no as of before and right game ni nyina no na Kotoko Jane Emmanuel Anoho and I'm say omoko Abranti and ding and Rudolph Mensah our all blast player a story that makama that anti young creative die see unim medito wanim oman pene sanso ena Kotoko DM that is a chat dogly and also nra me de ma Kotoko ekọ hono mpanyufo echema not for sale eno nti midfield ne de more or less ebetimi akasa Prince Badu Junior I see a kind Edema Nation Service ne de eminent inching closer to Asante Kotoko unforeseen situation be dey ebetimi assign they are fine but it's already sanctioned deal sanctioned I heard the young celebrate but se see Emmanuel no na no so play or team but say abet amo position or team ball wings or sounds to me as a forward Kotoko drain decision making enya enwie pay but other section of empenyufo bi chemu a as I said read them no yet twas say betimi afa Johnson tontena Donzo EDBP so na Kwame Poku so ekitamu kakra kana Jordan na mi say pra na encha na ho tono no adai ena nke sustaining yemfa we nto aso enkwa animu na at the end of season yempe proper striker potent baako emeka ho dance be remo transfer market ho na afia koye kotobe kuma eno section of fans so Kotoko fans there goes no flows na ya adwen sesa na eni ajabro so happiness overload enti wo a wonso wutie me no say na wa adwen esitie wo ye maintain strikers enfo munye at the end of the season and now say young kope baako augment squad no yempe striker baako nram wadwen tre it's really welcome fatu ase ho emaye na yebesa ba be premier ni akenkan wo wadwen tre no na ne so aba story na bibia tumi akosunti for now Kotoko ebeye meeting nyamidi adoma Thursday na final decision etimi atodwa but of course yem fan to anim say any Monday technical meeting beba so after game be technical meeting todwa but after technical meeting obekwa akohia management esa ni omadi nkomo on Thursday na possibly womo asiginaye say ida say omo the striker baako ebeba beka ho na sempo yenko ne say ya nam say atiatom na enyansi bo so anhwanso anekosi bo so a na ya esem keka entifu adwen kire to ase na empanyufo say divided attention no yenso yehwe mo tiefo yenso de na ye fans no so ye ka ogitum yemfa say anko anasa yento aso na afi yempa bi nso enwuram na engumete squad no eno enchemu kakra todwa wo mbare common necessary striker option dia Kotoko ebesa akosre nation service na Emmanuel Anono womo adi ne ho nkomo eno enchemu kakra todwa midfield nso Prince Badu ena ne nkomodie no akwa animu ye papa eno kakra todwa wo coach Karim Zito enra right after the game no or then some kakra to just say ampa challenge ne dey wom bibia nkunimdie esa kasampo for player acquisition
come challenge but they have to be very patient with us and then keep on supporting us. I'm here because of the league. I'm not here because of Mercy. I'm here because of the league. I don't go nowhere. I'm always home, training house. So we need their prayer, we need their support. It's a marathon league. Anything can happen. But keep on supporting us and also not this.
And coach Karim Zito and HM said challenge there is still for grab na ye omonto aso en support na achitafo no emmoa na bibia ntimi nkoso wa ma mehwe Kumase ono Kumase oba oni mo bia okọ no aba training no aba fienti league ne de marathon said the maybe coach I friend say Kofi Yesu e kan no league no Samabuadu kan no enya sprint ne marathon enti bibia betumi asi yes sana odi that na on players Kotoko pe wo mo so no coach Karim Zito Eddie be twa so sampa DM no
the injury didn't go with
kon etia Kotoko yes DM ba ko pe na Kotoko ewo one DM and Asante Kotoko ewo that is Hilaria double here Cratch first set Kwadwa or you be obo more or less any more offensive kakra nanso no so attachment Eddie bet 20 Lawson so not na be gina bi or the example my say mostly see augmented squad there you better a couple of players we ababi room.
The injury didn't go with specific positions. For now, we have, you see, the youngster I brought in.
Yeah.
Because I have only
Lawson.
one DM. Lawson. I have only one DM. So there are certain positions definitely I have to be for.
Okay, mostly positions in the say obifi up into coach Karim Zito and ote say odekakra tuja with regards to enra and some kakra no na sisi Kotoko area mu na and come over there me say the technical meeting be tuja right after technical meeting on Thursday woman management be say she na final gina isi with regards to players acquisition enkwaye buburuja yedi nkanka cho abroso na mienu ebinsu ahomamu atepa na miensa sa na bekwa akoyo ewo mu na enokra ahomamu tia just a samba ko sa de no ameka kire wo no ansa na Samuel Asakufo deal no empanyifo asanchen one for now there DM na abia striker ba striker no kra hunti na nyame boa after technical meeting no bench we nyina si gina area omode bekwa akoto management anim na ye fa de we ya anasa ye toa so na afi nso yakwa akopɛ ba ku bia ba befra wo a wo hwɛ me no onso we part and parcel of Asante Kotoko abusia ani de na ahobrase kwa so ma yente wonka ye maintain strikers a ye we ya next round of fixtures by the second round no anasa yankopɛ ba ku bi enka ho eno adwenkyerɛ empanyifo fa ho adwentu so fa de bra na ye ntoa so enko yenim now mamenya story emfama United for other for the tie ene se opanyi kwankyerɛfo baako onom Asante Kotoko panyin kase pa na omatiko bi ye friend say Asante Kotoko operations team me ba cho kukase pa na omapa ntoma ewa America brochiman mu eno de story ye ho adwuma de amount dada adwuma mpanyimfo no bo behind the scene so Kotoko lusu womo na aye agyaadwo na obi a che na adwen oba na mpanyimfo akase military men akase pa military adwuma Ghana ebo mu chese enhuman kese na members eno achi wo mu nso a wo mu ye adwuma kese America brochima mu nso na frafra ebo augmenting the squad with empanyimfo akase nso a Ghana wo mu di Asante Kotoko achinti enye fadi agrokra na sisia no opanyin no wo mu koye eniama kakra kobisa eniama mu na wo mu nsa mpa Donzo we enye sa asia wienti na America wo beka ametse homa enra ansana yene Boboko Bechem United eba bebo se Donzo empanyufo ye ne ho amamre ne akwankyere kwan bi so kakra nti ye nyina mfa mpa yenta na chi empanyufo domu suko hu se Donzo no nyese wasasa anasa sabi ebia onimbo board ye onimbo okọ Hafia club ani din da ho omo asum ni din sa mpa ko abi enya ne de se de bobo mbela mo ene ade ne sa no mo nso ebo mo strikers akom atekwa akantwa ho a omobo Donzo din enti papa no hwemu place ni call ni ade no hu se Donzo no ni bobo even crowd din kom kakra ekọ kra ni free mu ni ade ko hu se ampa dabi akora no mode mo wosoro na sambi na ato bare enti enei papa ibuaye na omo efa mpaebo kwan so ni ade ame kan wate ase o se menwuram enso me ye wram na de tie ne se eka ho bi ena kwan mu atene kama there is more room for improvement and so say any shackles bi na susu Donzo no empanyifo atiti mu matiti bi mu omunwe de but papa no say abona baso opanyin aye friend say Mr. Charles ejaba na obia enim no or yonkers oko American Richmond mo efra be yonkers eho ena obesie director Ejaba big boss nyame enya okese pa eni se unim Donzo baby but ade no to see sa no na wa wura mu eni akwada no di nkomo na mo fa kwatikwan kunim die kwan so na ewie peye no se ebo aba so yes Kotoko ade pa ba mu ayebo aba so nti Bronx New York nso ehon so your second base Ejaba papa history so efa Kotoko ho enra ye ball ni wie ya eno say ono kro kaya Kotoko last time I share 6 goals say ye ni Okwara United ene ye boy ni team share omunsia papa ni very good na o de ebedi nkomo Paul more e de afa opanyin Ejaba ho a enya ketua a die hard Kotoko fan ye papa nti se nei un se Donzo ba be she goals more na Ejaba play major role ye papa panti mama echitafo nyina empre no ne enye so nam se oba adwuma ye papa Mr. Charles Yonkers anasa Bronx area also osa ho your second base ye mo Ejaba basu ye papa repair be profile na be unso onye ni paketo a big man dozie e won nsa ho a enye Freddy Agronti ono eka ho bi na shackles a na ewo so etia morofin Donzo no omatimi a sheki kakra e de agu munwe yo mugu so do ho bai na of a chairman K5 mo ene miamenua commander Griffiths mo so omunyina aya adwuma yi papa yenka na yenya group num nipa kase de se of Abraham ne of Dixon Sechi omunyina aya ade na Mr. Henkan mo empanyufo ho ebinom pese ebebu omudi but we de moya ade siase abom abaso nti enum na ne e kase ni da konso se na won se na social media no Kotoko management esa we de ye kai mo oye nyina e do ni da kon but esa ya doso enye nipa ba kon na asem no efa odi abeto ho efa sikasem ni jesi ho nsem ti ni we de di hu ni ye mpefi oni team na ekọ ede ba se na ye be ye na chiranko enkonkore hu bo adanti me show bomoden na the settlement bia no settlement nipa no na enyo asumdwe na se de ukọ Facebook akra che na eye udin no enhye da ensem fatanti ni da kon mini asset bomoden ne di hu ni na bibia no enwie peye entisa na se beto aso sa because you say ko ho a amanfo ba mienu miensa e na asa complain aka main source no esa na ha dwen se din se nso ani ma ente onka na yenyu fro se nya din se na ya mpade a ene etobo ne fa nsese ne solve na bibia enwe nkunimdie su nti obi ya papa ye be kan boni nsusi a ese ya kana bibia no ewie pentini bomane sort it out na bibia nkoso ntisa esa management e distance o mo ho e free o ho na afetim no ye to aso ekoye ni me no eye no nso kakra e to dwa e wo mu Samba Onel enra game Kotoko boy en repacho ne na ho etechemato kakra de ewom a ye de to dwa ma ye na chefo nso enye major blow bia enra metise pra ne ba supporter be say hey you do kwajisko we do pra it was just by the way not just say ade bia SC papa commentary position what voices ni bia but the thing nyina ne say enye major blow ompra ka enye pra bia hu bia de tie ene say nyame bo a next game a ye be bo no say King Pfizer nyame bo na say FA Cup no baso midweek ya of which ye be di hu djumanti emfa no nto obey outer o monfo so say o meginam emo gidigidi bia afensu week nyina no ebe precautionary measures and ampanyfo ebe ye dia to Samba ho a training gidigidi no onyo bi said the week ye mu ankasa no e ade a wan hye na training gidigidi bia woni enu safuse ni nyina nti Samba pra no enye pra bia it was just a precautionary measure and a coach and a technical dagger to ampanyfo take ye said ebe ye na ombetumi amana enko fetchere na bibia enko oha omunti Samba you fully fit like a fiddle bibia no e to dwa kama nti enhwa kom ema okon anase utri empopo eno enchemu kakra e to dwa ewomo na on injury situation there na yen kan from farmer say Inusa Adams so situation no enye major blow gidigidi bia on week e twa mu ayekde kobo bechem nyina no na o training ground so become okwa na ono atimi nante eye no individual owi ano atenase e wodaga do na ono so ahwe training bi wom se na onye full training bi with the entire squad bia kama oniama etumpon kama nti ye hope say this week Inusa Adams ebetimi awram na afi full training so akọ e de amano nti with Samba any Inusa Adams no enye bibi kese bia ehu nti moma yemfa mpa entire place na china fianto aso enko yanim kama live ewo GH Live Studios na yemfa wento aso emfa ema yenetiefo na yenko yanim Kotoko yebetumi asisi ne ede ama yenetiefo se nyame anim ene nokranie agent ahodo binom ede strikers pushi Kotoko nyame anim ene nokranie eno achikra de one offensive midfielder na nyame anim yemmo Kotoko mpanyimfo na abaso with this window no omo IFM yenka ne kakra omo IFM kakra pa se obia di player ebe hyehyɛ amanfo kon ho team nim no nyame anim we de yemo nipa abaso anas yemo mpanyimfo abaso omo ya de oma tactically omo ni coach de omo si hu ginaye option 1 option 2 option 3 no se anye ye b anye ye c mpo ne be ye eno a ena obi be say table of menu and say scale of preference no omo edi akire mpanyimfo ya ade a ese ebo ma baso nti edi si ha na ya to yebo abom mpanyimfo ba say style na mo kon so sa na bebo a mo kon sa na bibia enkoso ese ya mpre ye ho and take decision with regards to players acquisition this January ya de bia ya intake momentum no ne ento aso emfanko na bibia enwen kudumdie so Kotoko midfield no na main target pass si animanimu ya idie omunya na omope Chedogly but Chedogly deal said the madi nkanka cho no ade a esibo so omunya willing to sell omobeton e de amaye enti amakotoko okone plan B and I said sorry for that word plan B nche say nyu Prince Badu said the amaka na ho no omoko there is even plan C no say nations ka Prince Badu dia na amfa there is plan C no ewo ho nti sana striking option also omo ashisha nti ameture ni players Kotoko amfa no no nche say bia say anasisi nyame anukwe no omo hwe omo plan C mpa omo si Kulibale no any ade enu plan C no any boy no midfielder no enu plan C no nti adena plan B o ha omo kwa kofa plan C nti management koma yani omo bi edi ye no omo chem kakra chense omo really firm our this transfer window na say the era of Kotoko buying wholesome na yasa ton bebre anase apam bebre no so ti kakra ba no yen mode kakra ese e bom panyifo abaso ye de hia ne se mo beba atuma maye na go ne ba eno ana bukari ye de ya afefe na bibia koso o hwe no game aye boy a wom se bechemfo no hititi po come on by you take your chances ye ebo adwumaden wo game ni mu a it was really good ball no de obo na de tumpo kekrawa eboa na di nkunimdi aba eyi pressure any adekra free mo so eyi pressure e free mo so ema bibia ewie peye nti mehwamo a abchitafo wo de amom yenhwe mpanyimfo kama na bibia enkoso mepese ewie first round bi nyame boa na ekosore dro ne all blast bowie there is a big breaking news ebe free na say to na mentia fikisi mu a eno efa management ho nti management they are really safe adwuma ekoso sikasem any ade any projection o maye kra to no na say to any age ho yie panti die betinya ne se mo microphone share amanfo achi na omunya eniema entia team no yes mo ma yenyina mfa supporter safata ema na penkra enna gofuma na afi team no infra dum nkwa dum obeka se wan win bi na manya wan win na ye ya hyensia ya meboa na yetimi kososo ema so adrufo na kanan a I think say it's good and it's enti yesramo a mumye nyina no emfo do any team na chi ne nya abotre enhwe management no me emfa pressure bi anto omo so about player signing yes recently me spake kakra the pressure no bi ba me ano ma withdraw mumye nto yebo management member ba ko ni mi di nkoma na se panyi ba ko enkoma one me boy no osha animu no there is light at the end of the tunnel la FFA anti mumenya abotre they know whatever they are doing na yehu said the ABC akọ yes eno enchemu kakra ye the to janti and a technical meeting e be free more back kakra no the sefata say they be tudwa they be tudwa na fin so a couple of days time on so nyame boa ombekwa akoshia management esigina ye pa e wo transfer market no so no se yen konkofa striker na se yen konkofa no so eno so nkomo me de be bro na afi bibia no atimi awie nkunimdie so nti ye kwaba na ye ba ye be sa de dewa kakra abro obi si ade na mfa management who breaking news now on into a good news, and bad news, very good news. But as I at the end of the ABA first round, no, yes, you read first round now you call Sredro bar now it's our story national. We say there is a refrigerator into any bad cry and no ancient cry. It should that it will more Samba O'Neill or very good. The 9 on a new sound so every training this week. Bibia to me at striker acquisition and penny for Ebeka who meeting and Sana Umbeto Mato and also Monta or Majai. Met for the day. It's done till plan B no and a Kotoko Airshare and no any chimwa. Yet to Janti for a joint comment session ho na yemfa and also into Jaya Straw. You need your term ewa in your home. And na in your could be who be the frame. Eka can't say Munukakra, but yes, I respect you. I have a big platform. Yet the Esma Sante Crobiama, Poma Sante Kotokonti. Piano can't send be not and yaw da. Monsieur Nimatem, you will muja me. Means me do at them. So I can't be near me. Yeah, me maybe project to me. Do by signboard, do be that. And do about to a clear, a profile. I'm a bit ukra to our hammer who will be soon, and I even will be done. Inti Mr. Young funny die, any near my Safata Maya. Me comment section ho there a decorum place o da na mu a na mu ade en kotre bibi o nam se titire na tra niema e comment section ho sa pepe na sitenti me so e chewadwun dwumadie de de ato dai fa se yem pe striker ni bi ana se nyan no. What is your opinion about that sir? Na sitieri si wa ha na ya chacha ho aka kire se offer Johnson Smith and so ono so oboili o ye adwuma ye pa icing on the cake.
We are not
yes.
We are not out now. We are still fighting. We are not out now. We are still fighting. We want to finish the game. Then you see who will eat the sugar on the cake. We are not out now. We are still fighting. We want to finish the game. Then you see who will eat the sugar on the cake.
Yes, the cake on the sugar crowd of Anyere. Basaka, oh yeah, there or party of a legend Makotoko, and of a year there say what about offer Johnson Smith. No offer, no offer. Mechecha you a Juma de Ubobi, Obakotoko, so now brought for no be so at Decama. Yebeshe League ya with Zito that trophy. Say, your friends, Bibian Gold Stars, no media born, the Gusun Sakakra, now you who do bring out the sugar on the cake. Sugar so they would need diabetes but digital of Johnson Smith ADC. Yabasaba now the other stories about 12.
We are not out now. We are still fighting. We want to finish the game. Then you see who will eat the sugar on the cake. We are not out now. We are still fighting. We want to finish the game. Then you see who will eat the sugar on the cake.